Second drop, y'all. It's about 9:30 and the rain starting to come. I said we were gonna try to finish this hunt up before the rain come in. So we finna see what happened right here. That's him. Pick up. 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 Y'all got 4 guns over there. Let me get on this side real fast. Watch them on that hedgerow too. Boy, rabbit tracks all in this path. God damn, look at the rabbit track. Find him. Hey, 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 hey. 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 Hey, hey. Look for him here. Stand out here. Stand out here. Stand him. Stick him up. Stick him up. Stick him up. Stick him up. Steiny. Stick him up out here. Look for him, look for him, look for him, look for him. Look for him, look for him, look for him, look for him. Look for him, look for him, look for him, look for him. Find him. Stick him out here. Stick him out here. Come on, snap, snap.
There you go, there you go.
Come here, booger. Ho, ho. Drop my camera. Drop my camera. Dead rabbit though. Dead rabbit though. Shouldn't come. Back up. Back up, I'll drop my camera. Where you go? I believe that's a rabbit. Hey, come, Reggie. Hey, come, Reggie. I just seen. Get out of the way, Bob. Bob. Get out of the way, Bob. Move, Bob. Bob. Get that motherfucker for me, Reggie. No, he already knocked down. He already broke down. Catch him, dude. I just shot all the back end out of him. His leg broke. Dog gonna catch him. Call Bob out. He dragging like hell though. He hit bad. Bob gonna run. Let her run him. That's another one right there. Go straighten him out, Bob.
I ain't noticed, huh?
Yeah, man, that bitch. I got her from that red meal I just put in the box. That's her brother.
Oh, okay.
Call her, Junior. Call Bob. Come, help Bob. Hey, go, Bob, here. Bob, help Bob. She wants that son, man. She don't know which way to go find him at. He hit, they gonna catch him. I don't want to eat him. They'll catch him on the way back. Be some more rabbits here. They looking at that. Oh! Shut all his ears off.
Take him on down and let him twist that over.
Dead. Hey. Hey. Watch him down there, Jay. Watch him, Jay. Cause they running at that one. You might gotta shoot him again. You might gotta shoot him again. Where you go? You got him? They gonna catch him. Huh? Can you hit him? They gonna catch him though, cause he is hurt. Yeah, Reggie running, y'all. They got Reggie running, boy. And here, watch him over there, Reggie.
You went back in, right? Who's that?
She running one going back that way.
Yeah.
I think it's 2 or 3 of these suckers moving. Yeah, she's still running then. I want to get on top of these dogs. All them strays, we'll get them on the way back. So they gonna run them now. They going everywhere too, boy. My Bob run the hell out of that zombie back under, boy. If that bobtail bitch ain't putting that blues on his ass, but they all rabbits all in front of me and you, Reggie. Yeah. You got them? Where they at? Where the other one go? Right here.
Pick up. Two of them. Pick up. I killed one. Pick up. Pick up, baby. Pick up. Pick up, baby. That'll hit him right there. Pick up.
But he ain't gonna beat me back to these vines. I bet you that. You might well give up. Got him. Tip out, slip out. Oh, this is a little break while they stopping that right here. So I'm at the back end of it now. Yeah. Let them stir him up now. I'm in the right spot. Let's see which way they gonna run with him now. Boy, he was coming behind me hauling ass. I shot that motherfucker 30 yards. He can't do nothing but go to the cane. He gotta be little. He ain't trying to come out. He only. Which way he go? Did he come out? Cinderella ought to pick up on him. Bring him on down. Call him where you seen him at. Call him. Hey, Christian. Hey. I'm right over here. He went across. He probably went back across. Come on, slow down. He done went to that tree break. Motherfucker rolling, boy. Come on down, Reggie. Oh, yeah, there you go. You with me? He coming back. There you go. That motherfucker went back the other way. Yeah, he broke down. He looked like he broke down. Hey, this way. Huh? Yeah, he broke down. Where he go? Where he go in at? Hey, found him. They gonna catch him. Hey. They gonna catch him. Whee, found him. Oh, y'all going up down stump. You see him? Hey, found him. Hey, found him. Hey, don't listen to mother dog. Find this goddamn red first. He went in here. They might catch him. Hey. Found him. Big ass fish already. That motherfucker could have went. Hey. Huh? Who down there? It's all this dog way down there. I could have sworn I turned that bar collar on.
Yeah, it's on him. Did you hear when it hit him?
Oh.
He won't bark no more.
I'm right here. Nah, it's me. It's me. Did. Go find another. Ooh, big way right here. I know it. I'm over here, I'm looking. I'm right here with him. He ain't popped out. Huh? They ain't running his edge right now. They gonna have to wind them up and then they'll start popping out in a minute. From somewhere. They gonna pop out 2s and 3s when they come. Watch coming to you, Reggie. I'm with her. He way in front of Baker, got him and gone. Baker got that rabbit going down in front of us, sweet. She gone with him. Where you go? He's gonna run out of real estate up here in a minute. All right, he gonna run out of real estate up here. He gonna have to make a suggestion up here in a minute. Hey, come, wait a minute. Hey, come, Junior. Hey, come, Junior. Come and tell you somewhere, Junior. I shot so much that I knocked the stock off the gun. Hey, Dad, come over here. That mother running from me. I can't get enough to him. Right in there somewhere. I can't. He right in here. I can't get it through all these briars. I'm gonna put my gun there. He right in there by this tree. Now he hit down pretty good. Cinderella might catch him. He crawled right along in here. They gonna catch this rabbit. This rabbit will lay down. Yeah.
They'll catch him. They gotta be one right there.
Gotta be. That boy can crawl down there far? Cinderella right here. You don't see him in there?
All the dogs found one. You ain't that well. They'll catch them sooner or later. I guess.
They ready flipped over and everything. Why I shot so much the stock coming loose?
Huh?
Shot so much the stock coming loose.
Stock coming loose.
Why yeah.
Done screwed out.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to break it down.
Take the butt end off and tighten the screw up in the back.
Yeah.
Screw down in there.
I fix it. You don't see that? They don't use the dang stock? Wild dogs there.
All the dogs right here. They don't stop right here.
I hear them growling. Right here, right in there. I can't get. Let me lay my gun. Where you see him?
Put him down.
Where you see him?
Down. Yeah, they done ate the motherfucker up, man. That little bitty rabbit, yeah, he turned around. They done ate all this rabbit. He was bigger than dog.
He wants that little one I shot. Where you go?
I got the front end and the back end up right here behind.
Hey. We need Buddy. Buddy would have got him. Hey, hey, 3 went back that way, but we can hunt it down some still.
Yeah, we're going to hunt it on down because it's going to run out. Then we'll hunt it back.
Huh? Yeah.
We're going to hunt it till it run out. Then we'll hunt it back. Hey.
It's all right. I'm gonna shoot till the butt come off. You know I fix it. I fix it tonight.
Here go. Take it down to the stop, then we'll turn around and walk it back.
Did pressure bump out them come up?
Yeah, well, rest of it. I'll probably be on.
There you go, shoot Jay! Shoot again! God damn. He gonna get him. He broke down and they gonna catch him. He gonna press it here. You got him? Look at that puppy. She tracking, boy. She gonna be a rabbit dog, boy. That little puppy hunt. Well, I got, damn, the other battery, I'm back in the truck. Cause I sure got another battery. Yep. It could be another one though. Yeah, we ought to have. Yeah, me and Jason already had 5 apiece almost. That house over there, I like knock on that house because there's a break behind it. I want to get 30. We'll hunt it back, Jay, from here.
Yeah, I seen that one rabbit besides that one I shot though.
Once that damn working, they might want to call. He went down that break somewhere. Pick him up over to yonder.
You said you seen another one?
Yeah, before I shot that one, I seen another one come in here.
Yup. Here's Cinderella. Where Reggie go? Watch him. He might have darted in and turned back. Yeah. He was coming right at me. They were looking at him. I just couldn't shoot. He might have darted in and turned back. Where you at, Jay? Come up some. I told you. Here go Bob right here, there. Coming back. You get it, Reggie? They gotta be a different rabbit. Oh, we gonna head back to the truck, y'all. Had a 80% chance of rain at 11 o'clock. And it is now, let me see, pull my phone up. It's just now 10:49. I mean 10:50. So we heading back to the truck. We're finna go tie it up. You know, it's a raining forecast. I know everybody seen it and got scared. We thought about it, but you know, I ain't no fair weather hunter. So I said, well, we gonna strike on out. Might not be raining where we going. And we got on up here and the rain just not coming in. We finna go tie it up. I believe we're done limited out. 4-man limit. We hit the ground at 7:20. It's 10:49, almost 11. 4 hours, 3.5 hours, I guess. And we're gonna see what we got. See you at the truck. Truck, y'all, on this good old day. They said rain gonna run you out, but it can run me out now because it's 11 o'clock and I'm finna go home anyhow. 11 o'clock anyway. We done limited out, y'all. I told y'all that's this goddamn backyard bread, Byers and Brewer, and we don't play when we get together, y'all. Some always gonna die and die fast because we jump them quick. We jump them quick, baby. They say you got to jump and run them to kill them. Boy, can't you tell we got some jump dogs in that pack? They don't bull jive, buddy. They don't bull jive a bit. They don't do nothing but get him dead, Fred. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at them rabbits. Look at them hair, y'all. And it's finna rain. It's raining, but we don't care. Look at old Brewer. JB Brewer, y'all. Good googly mook, boy.
I come for the show.
You came for the show? Yeah, that's what we do, y'all. That's what old Byers Kennel do, y'all. Like and subscribe. I told you, you can go see anybody do rabbit hunting. But when you want to see some rabbit killing, you got to come on down here to Byers Kennel. We don't limit it out every weekend. We ain't came out yet and didn't limit. I'm gonna bring a limit crew, y'all. Look at that old Brewer, June bro Richie right there. And always me the voice behind the scene, my crazy ass. I'm always him. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that, me. Well, look at that. Woo! Who said we can't get them before the rain? We ain't no fair weather hunters, y'all. I ain't never been. Ain't gonna never be either, because I'm coming to get my meat. Grocery store open every Saturday for me. Free meat. Free meat. And I come get that meat. Like we always say, y'all, till the next time, baby. Like and subscribe. Oh, Byers Kennel, y'all. Said we out of here. Done it again. Look at that. Woo. Ooh, hit that bell, ring that bell. Like and subscribe, tell somebody, y'all. We gone.
Some down to it, no more empty. Y'all already know.